Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon with Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. And after her, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman. And maybe my lovely sis Cat. Alright, so today I'm going to do a cloud pour. It's really windy out, so I hope I can do this. It's a little chilly. But we're just going to rock and roll with this. I've got I think it's like a 10-inch, maybe a 12-inch round. I'm going to do it on. I've got some colors out here. They're all custom. And we're just going to see what we can come up with. I'm going to fill this cup. If it don't blow over, might have to hold it. And I will just play some music and I will let you guys watch.
rush through my veins. You know, somewhere in the distance the sun's coming up. Everything is blurry, the trees flashing by my side, my side. We're far ahead, the horizon never seems so close. The sky is red, we're not out of the woods yet, you know. Don't stop. In your eyes, I see a fire lighting up as we're getting away. There's no going back and I'm loving the chase. Where you go, I follow. We're not giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back and I'm loving the chase. In your eyes, I see a fire lighting up as we're getting away. There's no going back and I'm loving the chase. Where you go, I follow. We're not giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back and I'm loving the chase. We're not giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back and I'm loving the chase.
All right, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it alone. I didn't get the clouds like I wanted because it all went off, but I still think it's really pretty. So I will just bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. Too much paint on, so all my cloud mix came off. So there's that. But I do think it's really pretty. The colors are just super cool. And it's got some neat, cool places to it. So, all right, guys. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. If you missed Sweet Wombat from Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art, please go back and watch. Everyone here is just amazing and I love them to pieces. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you to pieces. Have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.